Hi my beauties. Yesterday we did a technical workshop on how to deal with allergy prone skin with skincare routine and also with mineral makeup. So we started the morning with the theory, talking about how we could help skincare problems with using natural essential oils and natural products. So we did the whole morning talking about how to mix essential oils, what essential oils to use, and then what makeup you could use to help not just cover the condition, but also how you can help heal the condition with zinc-based mineral foundation. In the afternoon, after a light lunch, I then performed mini facials on all of the students using the phytotherapy products from Perez. We then did a light makeup, very light makeup, just to show how the makeup could work on people without looking like you have a full heavy makeup. So we cleansed with the phytotherapy cleansing lotion, and then we toned with the phytotherapy toning lotion. And then I applied the purifying oil blend. Now in the treatment I would suggest the Ever Gentle, but it's very relaxing and I didn't want my students going to sleep on me. So I used the purifying massage blend to massage each of the students. This was the simple massage, one that you can do at home, not the full holistic therapy treatment that we teach at the Institute for the Skincare. And we concentrate on lymphatic drainage, which helps with the skin condition and helps with puffiness and helps the circulation as well. Totally relaxing. See here, we're doing pressure points underneath the eyes on the cheekbones. This helps if you've got a lot of congestion and sinus congestion as well. We then did pressure points along the forehead, just above the eyebrows. And then we did some pressure points, specific ones that help with balancing the body and mind. It's always nice to do a lot of little facelifts and tapotement to lift the face up, give some tone back to the lower face. After we did the facial, then I applied a little bit of moisture cream because the skin was still a little dry. And then we applied the makeup. So we applied some yellow concealer to any blemishes, and we did this the same routine on all of the students. So we applied the yellow concealer to any red spots, any hyperpigmentation, any blemishes, and then we applied one thin layer, very fine layer of the foundation WMF 30, which works for most skin colors. And then we applied a little bit of eyeshadow using a brown casual pencil. And then on everybody, we actually did a green and a terracotta kind of eyeshadow. And then we finished off with a coral lipstick. And we had a beautiful day. There's a before and after picture. And that's all of us at the end of the day. So that is just a taste of our seminar that we had. I do hope you enjoyed this. And if you have any questions, please do contact me. Otherwise, stay beautiful.